It all started on a Monday morning. Jeff, the quiet accountant, brought leftover fish curry for lunch. A bold move. At exactly 12:01 p.m., he microwaved it, without a lid. The smell spread faster than office gossip. By 12:05, Linda from HR declared a code red. Steve from IT fainted. Even the office plant started wilting. But Jeff, he sat there, calmly eating, unaware of the chaos he'd unleashed. By Tuesday, the office was divided. Team Tupperware versus Team Takeout. Someone taped a wanted poster on the microwave with Jeff's face. By Wednesday, the microwave mysteriously vanished. Gone, like socks in a dryer. Turns out, Karen from marketing hid it in the supply closet for public safety. Jeff never brought curry again, but the war wasn't over. Next, Monday, he brought boiled eggs,